How to use previous name on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Keith here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can use previous name on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch your Facebook application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once here, tap on your profile with the three line at the top right, and here tap on the settings icon. Head over to Meta Account Center at the top. Tap on Profile and here tap on your Facebook. Once you're here, tap on Name. Now, once you're on the name, clear your first name and enter your previous name exactly as it was before. After that, you can review the change, so tap on Review Change at the bottom. Now to confirm, enter your Facebook password, then tap on Save Changes. And here you have to remember that Facebook only allows you to change your name every 60 days. So if you have changed it recently, you might have to wait. That's it. That's how you can use your previous name on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.